It never rains, but pours for incarcerated businessman Mike Chimombe, who just had his appeal for bail thrown out by the Supreme Court. Hazvipere mushe, vakomana vamaiona vaitravhera nguva yavaidira vachienda kuchina nekudzoka. Panguva inoi vanhu vakunyatsokuona kuti aiwa mupenyu matables anongotena aiwa anytime panapa vachiona vakomana aiwa mabeu papers avo akukandirwa kure nokuda kwe one silly mistake. Zana pana mashoko kudanirwa panapa kuti subscribe like kuti on the bell kuti pina panapa muda munyuka muchinzika. Chimombe is accused of abusing funds related to presidential good pass on scheme and is jointly charged with Moses Mpofu. Mpofu's appeal before the court is yet to be finalized. Chimombe yet approached the upper court, arguing that the High Court erred in failing to find that he was suitable for bail. He also accused High Court Judge Pisirai Kwenda of relying on the ruling by the magistrate in determining the appeal, yet there were changed circumstances. But the Supreme Court found no favor with his arguments and ruled the High Court's ruling would stand. In quotes, on 6 March 2025, the Supreme Court dismissed Mike Chimombe's bail appeal, upholding the High Court's decision to deny his bail. The court found that the state had established compelling reasons for his continued detention, including the likelihood of absconding, the seriousness of the charges, and the risk of interfering with witnesses, said the National Prosecuting Authority. Chimombe, yes, and his partner have been languishing in jail since June last year. All their efforts to secure freedom have failed. Their trial has, however, failed to take off since last year. Hearing gets postponed for varying reasons. Chimombe is represented by Ashi Mugia and Love Mo Maduku. Thomas Kwamdanyiro panapa nevakomana vachiti aiwa these guys aiwa panguva ino vakunyatsokuona kuti muupenyu vanhu hamumbofaniri kumboita zvinhu zvemukotokoto kana zviri kuitwa nevamwe vanhu vanga varimo muthe ruling party kana chinoda kwokuti aiwa chokwadi chinozobuda pachena. Imbotidze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Kuna comment section vedu tudze mafungiro enyu. Tsona subscribe or like, tsona on the bell icon.